Hello, today I'm making Chinese 5-spice chicken in Instant Pot. First, we season with salt and pepper. Here we make the spice mix with brown sugar, chili powder, paprika. A good massage will bring you good flavor. If you like spicy, use Sichuan chili powder. Add vegetable oil. For some of you, you don't have a wok. You can saute and brown the chicken just in the Instant Pot. Set on pressure cook high for 25 minutes. It's time to serve with some cilantro. Here, take the piece. So tender, delicious. 太美味了。
Round two, I'm gonna make a little pocket, starting with nice, beautiful cabbage. Honestly, look at the size of these falafels. I'm gonna strip it in half. Wow. Alright, I think half's enough in that. Falafel, pickles, tomato. And my favorite, fresh mint in there. Oh, wait, sauce. Pour over tahini. Yum. God, look at that, honestly.
With your pulled pork leftovers, you make paninis. My daughter wants a Cubano, my son wants a pulled pork. I'm gonna start with the pulled pork. I'm gonna use some bacon flavored barbecue sauce from Pig Chaser. Now we're gonna add Havarti cheese to both sides of it. Add the leftover pulled pork. Oops. Add some thin pickle slices. Now for the Cuban. Spicy mustard on one side, mayo on the other. Swiss cheese, both sides. Add some ham. Pork. Pickle slices. Now the most important part. Bacon up both sides of the bread. Close her up. Cook till golden brown. Look at these babies. Slice them up. And presentation. Are you kidding me? You hear that crunch?
Today we make a meatball. It's not Italian, it's Asian style, on the grill. 1 pound Lars lean ground beef. Ginger, peel it with a spoon. I showed you how, don't disappoint me. 2 tablespoons, minced. 3 cloves, minced garlic. In 2 green onions, that's our garnish. Mince the white part. In 2 tablespoons soy, kosher salt, pepper. Best tools in the kitchen. Mix it, don't be a wimp. Form a little meatballs. Skewer them in the refrigerator to set 30 minutes. 1/4 cup hoisin. 2 teaspoons sugar. 1 Thai, bird's eye, chili. Minced 1/2 tablespoon lime juice. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 1 garlic clove, grated. Drizzle avocado oil. Oil the grapes. Grill 2 minutes each side. Don't overcook them. These are lean and delicious. You want to keep that moisture. Brush with the hoisin. Remove. Toasted coconut. Cilantro. Green onion, because you're extra fancy. Sweet baby broccolini. We're gonna prepare it very simple. Fill a 5 to 6 quart pot with cold water. Bring to a bubble over high heat. Season generously with kosher salt. Fill a bowl with ice cold water. Season the ice bath with kosher salt. It'll make a difference. Let it cook 3 to 5 minutes. We're par cooking the stems until tender crisp. Plunge. This is called blanching. It stops the cooking and preserves the bright green color. Dry it really well. A little garlic. Grate the garlic. 1 lemon. Grate it. Olive oil. Give it a whisk. Evenly coat. Cover. Let it marinate 1 to 2 hours, room temp. Kosher salt. Pepper. Heat grill over medium-high heat. Already cooked. We're just gonna char it. Make it smoky. 30 seconds to 1 minute each side. Lemon. Simple.
Let me show you how to make the perfect marinara sauce. Mamma mia. In a pan, sprinkle some extra virgin olive oil, add your onion, fresh chili and garlic. Now, pour white wine like there is no tomorrow. Add your tomatoes, season with a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar, and cook for about 45 minutes or until sexy. Finally, sprinkle some fresh parsley and don't forget to thank my mama because it's her recipe. absolutely delicious. Let me show you how to make my super quick and always super sexy creamy asparagus linguine. An Italian love story always starts with a lot of olive oil. Add your asparagus, red onion and a little bit of water and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now blend everything together, season with a pinch of salt and pepper, add your cream cheese, your pasta in and whisper, Mamma mia.
We're making a whole lot of chicken enchiladas.
Daddy, chill.
Start by hitting your chicken with a 3-piece combo. To a frying pan, add a squirt of olive oil. Cook the onions and garlic till soft. I don't want to fight you were soft. Add in chicken stock, tomato sauce, shredded chicken, and your spices. And let cook for 5 minutes. It will come out like this. In another pot, add a squirt of oil and garlic. Cook till it sizzles and is aromatic. Add in the tomato sauce, chicken stock, chilies, jalapenos, salt, pepper, cumin, and chili powder. Stir and bring to a light boil for 15 minutes. Take your revolver out of the holster and spray down the town. Grab your tortillas, fill them with chicken, roll it up, and add to the baking dish. Top with the sauce, dual wield the cheese, and bake at 400 for 20 minutes. She's a beauty. Top with scallions and sour cream. Now that's what I call an enchilada. Está muy buena.
A month ago I did pulled pork in a Dutch oven. Today I'm doing it on the green egg. This is a pork shoulder, or you can use a pork butt. We're gonna start by scoring the fat cap. I'm making 2 of these because I plan on showing you a lot of great leftover recipes. Start with mustard. We use this as a binder. Trust me, you won't even taste it if you don't like mustard. Apply the dry rub. All the ingredients are right here. Mustard and seasoning on both sides. I'm gonna wrap them up, put them in the fridge overnight. I'm using cherry wood as my smoke, and in the drip pan, I'm putting cherry Dr. Pepper and a beer. Fat cap up, close it up, 225, 8 to 12 hours. It's an internal temperature of 205. Internal temperature 205, time to pull them. Check out these beauties. Oh man. And I'm using my favorite Pig Chaser habanero barbecue sauce. Oh yeah. Pickles and some slaw. Good me.
Is it just me, or does pasta on Sundays just hit the spot different? So let's make some pasta. You'll need butternut pumpkin, garlic, thyme and olive oil. Season and mix together, and let's rewind the clock with a block of feta in the middle. Bake for 25 minutes and then mash up that roasted garlic. Mix it all together and then add baby spinach, cooked pasta and of course that pasta water. The sauce becomes so beautiful and creamy. It's the ultimate comfort food.
Today for lunch, I'm packing my boyfriend another bell pepper sandwich.
Welcome to Bussin' or Not, where I try this recipe so you don't have to. Let's do some cooking.
Nice cook.
Oops. The crunch of the pepper is really bussin'. Certified bussin'.
Party at the house. I'm making some taco crunch wraps on the Blackstone. Make some taco meat. I'm using ground beef. You can use ground turkey. You can use chicken. You can use steak or pork. All right, now we're gonna put together the crunch wrap. We're gonna start with a little margarita. Add the taco meat and some cheese. And now for the crunch, a tostada, sour cream, homemade pico, and some lettuce. Fold it in. Easier to fold them once they're warm, so throw them in the microwave for a couple seconds. All right, these babies are done. We're gonna slice them up. Dip it in sour cream, guacamole. Oh. Are you kidding me?